Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean and this is Reversed TV. Today I'll be talking about the 2022 conventional home loan limits for California. Now, this is a follow-up to a video that I did earlier this year, just a little bit before Thanksgiving, when most of the industry thought that our loan limits in California would be $625,000. And then, of course, the way it works is any high-cost states like Hawaii and Alaska would be 1.5 times that amount, which is $937,500. However, FHFA announced much higher lending limits for most of the country, including most of California, at $647,200. So again, the high-cost states are 1.5 times that amount at $978,800. Now, in California, there are 21 counties that have higher loan limits than the standard loan limit of $647,200. 9 counties actually have loan limits at the max of $978,800, and I'll list them for you right now. Basically, the counties of Marin, Contra Costa, Alameda, Santa Clara, San Mateo, Santa Cruz, San Benito, LA, and Orange County all have conventional loan limits of $970,800. Then there's 4 counties that have a loan limit at $675,050, $675,050. Those counties are Yolo County, Sacramento County, Placer County, and El Dorado County. Then there's a handful of counties in California that have just different loan limits, and I'll tell them to you right now really quick. Sonoma, $764,750, Napa, $897,000, Monterey, $854,450, San Luis Obispo County is set at $805,000. Santa Barbara County is set at $783,150, with Ventura County being set at $851,000. San Diego County being set at $879,750. If I didn't mention your county, then you could just assume that it is set at $647,200. Now, you might wonder, what is the benefit of having much higher lending limits for conventional loans in 2022? Well, there's a handful of things. First and foremost is that self-employed people can sometimes get an approval with just 1 year of tax returns, which is, much easier than doing 2 years worth, especially if your income changes and you happen to have higher income in 2021. Another benefit is that when we run all your info through automated underwriting with Freddie Mac or Fannie Mae, sometimes it'll tell us that we need or we don't need an appraisal, a property inspection waiver. And that is fantastic. Basically what happens there is we put the number into the computer that we think your home is worth, and it either validates it or doesn't. And if it doesn't, then we need an appraisal. If it is validated by it, then we don't need an appraisal, so we save time and about $500 in cost. Another benefit compared to a jumbo loan is jumbo loans have lower debt to income caps at about 42 or 43%, whereas with Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae conventional loans, you can go as high as 50%. Another reason too why this is beneficial is that it just gives you more buying power because of that reason, and along with this fact as well. Conventional loan rates are typically better than jumbo loan rates when you compare apples to apples, meaning like say a 0-point rate option is going to be better with a conventional loan than a jumbo loan. And so that makes your payment lower. So it just, again, gives you more buying power. Also, there are reserve requirements for jumbo loans. And usually, they want to see that you have like 6 months worth of money in the bank after all your closing costs, etc., to pay any taxes and insurance on your property or properties. Whereas with conventional loans, most of the time we don't have those same strict reserve requirements. So as you can see, there's quite a few benefits in having higher loan limits. We're super excited about it. If you want to find out any information about any kind of loan program, purchasing a home, refinancing a reverse mortgage, check the description down below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you, and thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe.